Hello everyone, I am Vinmaya Shetty from Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College, Shimoga. In this video, I will speak about the topic yoga and its importance, asana and its benefits in life. So, what is yoga now? The definition, according to the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, Yogaha Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That means yoga is to restrain the activities of the mind. According to the Bhagavad Gita, Samatvam Yogaha Uchyate. That means evenness of the mind is yoga. Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalyam. That means yoga is the skillfulness in action. The 8 limbs of yoga, that is also known as Ashtanga Yoga. First one, Yama, second Niyama, third Asana, fourth Pranayama, fifth Pratyahara, sixth Dharana, seventh Dhyana, and the last one, 8th is Samadhi. So, Yamas means rituals or the universal morality. Niyamas means personal observance. Asana means pose or the postures. Pranayama means working with a breath or controlling a breath. Pratyahara means controlling the sense. Dharana means immobile concentration. Dhyana, which means meditation on the divine. The last one, Samadhi, means absolute bliss. So these are the Ashtanga Yoga or the 8 limbs of the yogas. Next, coming to the similarities of Ayurveda and yoga. So, both are ancient Vedic teaching which has Vedic base, and both follow the Panchamahabhuta theory. Both encourages keeping the body healthy. Both has 8 branches, that is Ashtanga Yoga in the yoga, and in Ayurveda it is Ashtanga Ayurveda. As I said, Yama, Niyama, etc. till Samadhi, it is Ashtanga Yoga, and Ashtanga Ayurveda, Kaya Chikitsa, Shalya Chikitsa, Shalakya Chikitsa, Kaumara Bhrutya, Agada Tantra, Bhuta Vidya, Rasayana, Vajikarna. These are the Ashtanga Ayurveda. The next, both suggest the use of diet, herbs, asana, pranayama, meditation, mantra, etc. for healing the entire being. Now let's see how yoga transforms your body. In few classes, after doing yoga, it improves the brain function, lowers stress level, alters the gene expression, and increases the flexibility. And after few months, there will be a lower blood pressure, improved lung capacity, improved sexual function, reduced chronic neck and the back pain, anxiety relief, low blood pressure levels in diabetic patients, and improved sense of balance. And after few years, by continuous practicing of yoga, there will be a strong bones, healthy weight, and the low risks of heart disorders or the cardiac disorders. So these are the transformations takes place in our body after practicing yoga continuously. Next, coming to the asana. So what are asanas? The root meaning of the word asana is a position in which one feels comfortable. In Ayurveda, there is a sloka says Stiraha Sukham Asanam, which means a stable, comfortable posture is known as asana. These are the yoga posture which, when practiced regularly, the body stays healthy, flexible, strong, and hardy. So, they also help in preventing and curing the diseases. I have demonstrated few asanas and its benefits. The first one is Padmasana. Asana means a lotus pose. Asana totally keeps the mind relaxed, and it is best posture for the meditation and the pranayama. The benefits are calms the brain, keeps the spine straight, restores the energy level, and stimulates the spine, bladder, abdomen, pelvis. The next, Vajrasana. the diamond pose. It gives the strength to the lower back, helps in the belly fat loss, increases the blood circulation to the body, and keeps the mind calm and meditative. This is the best posture for many disorders. So this is the Vajrasana with Chin Mudra. Next, Vrukshasana. Cha means a tree, Asana means a posture. So a tree posture is known as Vrukshasana. It helps in strengthens the leg, improves the alertness and the concentration, improves the neuromuscular coordination, and helps to cure the sciatica such disorders. The next, Chakrasana. It is known as wheel pose. A rolling over movement is known as Chakrasana. It strengthens the arm, shoulder and wrist, increases the lung capacity and spine flexibility, stimulates the nervous system and endocrine system. The next asana, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Matsya means fish, Indra means Lord. So the asana which is dedicated to the Lord of Fishes is known as Ardha Matsyendrasana, in which improves the digestion, energizes and stretches the spine, cleanses the internal organs, and effective cure for the menstrual problems. The next one is Dhanur Asana. Dhanur means the bow. The bow pose is known as Dhanur Asana, in which it improves the heart health, cardiac health, and it promotes the weight loss and strengthens the shoulder and also improves the digestion system. So this is Dhanur Asana. The next one is Garudasana. The eagle pose. It is known as Garuda Asana. The benefits are it stretches the shoulder and the upper back, improves the sense of balance and concentration, strengthens the ankle and calves. The next one, Matsyasana. This asana is the avatar of the Lord Vishnu and it is dedicated to him. So Matsyendrasana, it tones the parathyroid, pituitary and the pineal organs and reduces the pressure in the neck and the shoulder, helps to cure the asthma and the respiratory disorders. So this is Matsyasana. The next one is Gomukhasana. One whose face resembles to a cow, and that asana is known as Gomukhasana, and the benefits are stimulates the kidney, helps to reduce the risk and diabetes, and it strengthens the ankle, thigh and the hips. So this is Gomukhasana. The next is Bhujangasana. Bhujanga means snake or the cobra pose. Asana, it is a pose. So it is a cobra pose. Here it relieves the stress, reduces the abdominal fat, cures the backache and the bronchial problems, and also increases the focus or concentration. It is a cobra pose. The next one is Tolasana. Tolasana means a pose which resembles a pair of weighing scales. So this is Tolasana, helps for strengthens the arms and the wrist, tones the abdominal muscle, calms the mind, stimulates the abdominal organs. This is Tolasana. This is about few asanas. So every year, June 21st, we celebrate International Yoga Day. So finally, yoga is a perfect opportunity to be curious about who you are. So practice yoga and be healthy, stay fit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this video. Thank you.